Hi everyone, now we are going to see about RISC microprocessor and the difference between RISC and CISC microprocessor, and we will see about its properties, characteristics and advantages. RISC microprocessor, it is reduced instruction set computer. It uses highly optimized set of instructions rather than more specialized set of instructions. RISC microprocessor is a microprocessor architecture that is designed to perform, it operates at higher speed by breaking the operation into simple sub-operations. Example, load X, load Y and then add X and Y. CISC microprocessor, it is complex instruction set computer. The concept here is it encodes the instruction directly. For example, it add X and Y and put the result in X. It usually takes much time than the reduced set of instruction. Okay, now we will see the difference between RISC and CISC. CISC instructions utilizes more instruction cycle than RISC set of instruction. It comprises of complex instruction and very fewer instruction. It is generally slower compared to RISC, and the main objective here is it performs good performance on a slow memories on this RCISC processors. Here the RISC processor is twice cost effective as CISC microprocessor, and it is designed to perform both on good performance and cost. Now here it RISC microprocessor emphasis on software and CISC microprocessor emphasis on hardware. It comprises of single clock and reduced instruction, where it consists of multi-clock and complex instruction. Here it is register to register, where load and store are independent instructions. Here memory to memory, where load and store are incorporated instruction. It is usually faster because it consists of one instruction cycle, where it is slower because it consists of more than one instruction cycle. The main objective here is speed, and here the main objective is less code. Here it is most software oriented, and it is here hardware oriented, since most of the instruction with computer translation. Here the instruction size is mostly varied, where here it is set size, and here the addressing mode can be complex, and here it is simple addressing mode. The example of RISC microprocessors is MIPS R2000, Intel 80836, here IBM 370/168 and Intel 1860. Okay, now we will see about characteristics of RISC microprocessor, and it uses generally simplifies instruction set. The use of only very few addressing mode result from the fact that almost all instructions have simple register addressing. Other addressing modes may be included, such as immediate operands. By using relatively simple instruction format, the instruction length can be fixed and aligned on word boundaries. An important aspect of RISC instruction format is that it is easy to decode. And shorter instruction, breaking the complex instruction into simple shorter instruction. And it has the ability to execute one instruction per clock cycle. This is done by overlapping the fetch, decode and execute phases of 2 or 3 instructions by using procedure referred as pipelining. The advantage of register storage as opposed to memory storage is that a register can transfer information to other register much faster than the transfer of information to and from memory. It is relatively few instruction, few addressing mode, and memory access limited to load and store instructions, and run several instructions simultaneously. Okay, now we will see about the properties of RISC microprocessor, and it is simple primitive instruction and addressing mode, instruction executing only one clock cycle, uniform length instruction and fixed instruction format, that is uniform length instruction. Uniform length instruction, and pipelining, hardware control, complexity push to the compiler or other such properties. Okay, now we will see about the advantages in RISC microprocessor. The first advantage is speed. RISC microprocessor often achieve 2 to 4 times the performance of CAC processor using comparable semiconductor technology and same clock rates. The next advantage is simpler hardware. Simpler hardware, because the instruction set of RISC processor is so simple, it uses up much less chip space and simple hardware requirements. And next advantage is shorter design cycles. Shorter design cycle. Since RISC processor are simpler than corresponding CAC processor, they can be designed more quickly and can complete their work in one clock cycle. Now we will see the disadvantage in RISC microprocessor. The first disadvantage is code quality. Code quality. The performance of RISC microprocessor depends greatly on the code that is executing. If the programmer or the compiler does a poor job of instruction scheduling, the process can spend quite a bit of time stalling. That is, waiting the result of one instruction before it can process with a subsequent instruction. The next disadvantage is code expansion. Since CAC machine performs complex actions with a single instruction, where RISC machine may require multiple instructions for the same action, code expansion can be a problem. The next disadvantage is system design. Another problem that RISC machines is that they require very fast memory systems to feed the instructions. RISC based systems typically contain large memory caches, usually on the chip itself. This is known as first level cache, and these are the disadvantage and advantage, and that's all about RISC microprocessor. Thank you.